Listen carefully. Your life doesn't change in one big moment. It changes through small habits you repeat every single day. Here are 10 habits that quietly upgrade your entire life. Habit 1. Wake up before the world does. While others are sleeping, you're building. No noise, no distractions, just you and your goals. Habit 2. Make your bed. Not for looks, but for control. It tells your brain, I decide how today goes. Habit 3. Do one hard thing every morning. A cold shower, a workout, or meditation. Beat discomfort early, and the rest of the day feels lighter. Habit 4. Protect your first hour. No phone, no scrolling. Your mind is strongest before the world touches it. Use that power for yourself. Habit 5. Move your body. Walk, stretch, or train. Motion creates momentum. An active body builds an unstoppable mind.